Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Let's recall what we discussed in the chapter money. Okay. We use money for buying things and we use notes and coins. The early coins were made of bronze and silver. What we call the money used in a country, Chelsea? The money used in a country is called, what we call the money used in a currency. Yes. What is the spelling of currency, Anirudh? The spelling of currency.
CUNNRRENCY.
Very good. Once again, Anirudh, once again, please. Anirudh, tell me once again, okay? What is the spelling of currency?
CURRNE.
N-E or E-N?
EN.
See, current, N, no. CURRENCY, currency. Okay. Panulakshana, tell me the spelling currency.
Yes, ma'am.
What is
CURRENCY.
Rishikesh, tell me what is the spelling of currency?
CURRENCY.
Currency. Okay. The money used in a country is called currency. What is the Indian currency, Rashin? The Indian currency is dash. Rashin, the Indian currency is dash. What's the answer, Rashin? The Indian currency is rupee. The Indian currency is rupee. Elhana, what's the spelling of rupee?
RUPEE.
Is there double P?
No.
Once again, tell me the spelling rupee.
RUPEE.
Okay, the Indian currency is called a rupee. Okay, how we will write 1 rupee, Ray and Sandeep? How we will write 1 rupee in figures? In figures.
First,
We will write the
symbol.
the symbol for
The symbol.
then we will write the number. Okay, now also we can say the number written on the coins or notes tell us its value. Okay, so these are the points we discussed last class. And today we have a new topic, that is rate or price. Rate or price. Do you have the eraser with you? Eraser with you? You have the eraser? And eraser having that cover? Eraser having that cover? Anybody having eraser having the cover? Or sharpener having the cover? See, on the cover, its price is written, rate is written. Look at the cover, look at the cover. Yes. Devana showing. Okay. Yes, Devana. 1 minute. Bhanulakshana. Bhanulakshana also showing. Okay. Just 1 minute, Bhanulakshana. See? Yes, Dean, what is written? Rupee symbol and something is written. Its price is written. Rate is written. Dean? Unmute and tell me what is written.
Rupees 3.
Rupees simple and 3. Huh? Okay. Devana showing one thing. Okay, Devana show. How much rupees for your eraser? What is the price of your eraser? You please unmute and tell me. Unmute and tell me. Unmute and tell me. You can't unmute. How many rupees?
Rupees 3.
43 rupees. 3 rupees. Rupees
Yes.
3. Okay. Now, Banu Lakshana, show me your thing.
Ma'am, Chelsea.
Okay. How much rupees?
3 rupees 5.
What? It's a tag, no? It's a tag.
Rupees
How? What is the money? What is the rate written there?
200.
200 rupees. Okay. Dia, you also showing. Dia, what about your eraser? How much? What is the price of your eraser? It's written no rate. Okay, okay. Then Nedik is showing something. Okay, Nedik, show me the thing. Okay, what is this? PDR sure. Okay, what is the price written, Nedik? It's written no. 500 rupees. Okay. Then anyone else? Any other thing? Chelsea also showing one sharpener, I think. Chelsea, what about you? What is the price written there? 3 rupees. Okay. Anirudh also. Anirudh. The Rashan is showing something. Okay, Rashan, what is that? Anirudh, 1 minute. Rashan. Okay, just 1 minute. Rashan, tell me what is it? It's a called. Okay. Rupee. How much rupees? 20 rupees.
No, 90 rupees.
19?
90.
Okay, okay. 90. Okay, 90 rupees. Okay. See. See. Dean is showing something. What is it? It's a book. What is that, Dean?
Ma'am, it is for pasta. Pasta. Ma'am. Ma'am,
ATE, rate or The other word is P-R-I-C-E, price. Rate or price means value of the goods. Each goods or each thing having, no need to write now, no need to write now. Value, its value of goods or value of things, that we will say rate or price. Sometimes, some object we can see the symbol of rupee, then maybe 2 rupees, or you can see it, or you can see rupees 100, like that. Okay, but in some object you can see the price like this. See, it may be, you can see rupees 2 is here, 1 dot is here, then 5, then 0. How we will read this, or what is this? Anyway, you know the symbol. This is the symbol of rupee. This we will read 2 rupees 50 paise. 2 rupees 50 paise. See, you can see a dot here. No, this is a dot. This will say dot or point. So before the dot, you can see the rupees. How many rupees it is? And after the dot, what is that? That will be paise. Okay, so 2 rupees 50 paise. So money can be written in rupees and paisa separated by a dot. See, another object I am writing, its value is rupees this much. Okay, how we will read this? 10 rupees 50 paise. So money can be written in rupees and paise separated by a dot. Separated by a dot. Here rupees 10, you can see a small dot here, and after the dot you can see the number 50. 50 means 50. So this will come paise. This will come rupees. So 10 rupees 50 paise. 10 rupees 50 paise. I will write another value. Okay, tell me what is that? How we will read this? How we will read this? Who will tell? Asher, will you tell me how we will read this amount?
10 rupees 50 paise.
This one 10 rupees 50 paise. What about this I am asking? 15. 15 means 15. 15 rupees. How many paise?
5.
75 paise. Okay. So money can be written in rupees and paise separated by a dot. Now another example I will write. Anirudh, tell me how we can read this. See this one. How we will read this, Anirudh?
20 rupees
5
paise.
25 paise. Okay. Now Risa Muhammad, tell me this one. Okay. It is, how we will read Risa Muhammad this? Please read this one. How many rupees? How many paisa?
50 paise.
5 rupees 50 paise. 5 rupees 50 paise. Devaran, tell me the next one. Okay. One object and it is written. How we will read this? Devaran, how we will read this? How many rupees? How many paise?
30 rupees 25 paise.
Very good. 30 rupees, 25 paise. Now, another question, another one. Okay. Joseph, tell me the answer. Please read the amount. What about this, Joseph? How we will read this? How we will read this? Joseph, you can't see the board? Joseph can't see the board. Tell me, how many paisa? 5 rupees.
5 rupees 50 paisa.
Paise. See, paisa. If it is paise, is a plural. Plural form of paisa. Paisa.
Ammada.
Okay, now you can see. So today we discuss, just 1 minute. So today we discuss the first point, that is rate or price. What do you mean by rate or price? The value of the goods is called its rate or price. Sometimes some items it's already have the tag. On the tag it is written, it's a price. Okay. And another thing we studied today, money can be written in rupees and paisa separated by a dot. And before the dot, what is the number? That much rupees. After the dot, how much? That is that much paise. Understood? Yes or no? Yes. Now, when we discuss about the coins, no coins, there was there are coins of 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, and 10 rupees. So one paisa coin was there, no? Paisa coin was there, no? That is 50 paisa. Now I am putting together 250 paisa. Okay, putting together. What we call putting together? What we are doing actually when we are putting together?
Add.
We are adding. Putting together means adding. Okay, now listen here. Listen. $50. Okay. 150 paisa. Now I am keeping one more 50 paisa. I am putting together 250 paisa. Let's add. How much we will get? Let's add 50 plus 50. This is tens and this is ones. Now let's add. So when we add 50, let's add from the one space. 0 plus 0 is answer 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 5 plus 5. What is answer? 5 plus 5. Alan? 5 plus 5. What is answer?
10.
10. So 5 plus 5, it will 10. So here will come hundreds place also. 100. No, we will get answer 100. So we are adding 250 paisa. So we are getting, when we add 250 paisa, what we will get? We get 100 paisa. Yes or no? When we add 250 paisa, we will get the total amount 100 paisa. This 100 paisa is rupee 1. 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. Understood? 250 paisa together will make 1 rupee. So when we put together 250 paisa, we will get 100 paisa. 100 paisa means it is 1 rupee. So let's write these points today. And the next day we can add the small amounts of money. So today just we can recall what we learned. The first thing, rate or price. What is the meaning of rate or price? The value of the goods or things we call rate or price. The second thing, money can be written in rupees and paisa, separated by what? Separated by a
Dot.
eh?
Dot.
Separated by Emmanuel? Separated by what?
Dot.
A dot. Very good. Separated by a dot. Money
Yeah.
can be written in the form rupees and paisa separated by a dot. And before the dot, we can see it is rupees. After the dot, it is paisa. So these points we can write in the notebook. Please take a notebook, all of you. Please take a notebook. Yeah, you can take a fresh page. So here we have the first point. Plus one more 50 paisa. So when we add 250 paisa, we will get 100 paisa. And 100 paisa means it is equal to 1 rupee. So put the symbol of rupee and number 1. So 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 100 paisa. 100 paisa is equal to rupee 1. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa. We are adding 250 paisa. So when we add 50 plus 50, we will get the amount of 100. So 100 paisa. 100 paisa means it is equal to rupee 1. For paisa, we will write simply the letter P, small letter P. P for paisa. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 100 paisa is equal to rupee 1. Now the next point below this we can write the value of THE. The value of the goods is called the value of the goods is called their dash rate or price. PRICE price. Full stop. Here the price is spelling PRICE price. Another one is PRIZE. That is different. Here PRICE price. The value of the goods is called their rate or price. The first point, 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to 100 paisa. That is equal to rupee 1. Second point, the value of the goods is called their rate or price. Sarang, read the points. The first point, what we written?
The
50 paisa. See, 50 paise plus
50 paise plus
50 paise
50 paise equal to
100 paise equal to what?
paise.
Equal to, 100 paisa means how many? How much rupee? Rupee 1.
1.
Then the second point, the value of
The value of the
goods.
goods is called
Their rate. What is spelling of rate? R-A-T-E. Rate or price.
Or price.
P-R-I-C-E. Price. Now we can move to the next point. And that is money is M-O-N-E-Y. Money is written. Money is written in dash and dash. So what will come? Money is written in. Who will tell me the answer? Money is written in. Yes, tell me. Rupees and only rupees. Okay. Rupees. Rupees and paise. Comma separated by
Say I not feeling.
by a dot. Money is written in rupees and paise separated by a dot.
I'm saying I not completed.
Completed. The first point was 50 paise plus 50 paise. When we add or put together, we will get 100 paise. 100 paise means it is 1 rupee. And the second point, the value of the goods is called their rate or price. And the next point, money is written in rupees and paise separated by a dot. So before the dot, what's the number? That much money. After the dot, what's the number? That much paise. Shamin, please read the third point. Third point, money. Money is written in rupees and paise separated by a dot. Separated means it is separated by a dot, means we can identify. So that means before the dot it is rupees, after the dot it is paise. Vaishnavi, please read the third point. Money is written in.
Money is written in
rupees and paise separated
by a
dot. Okay. Now one more point, one example for this. Rupees and paise separated by dot. I'm writing rupee symbol, then 4.50. How we will read this? Kevin, how we will read this?
Ma'am, we have to write.
You have to write.
50 paise.
4 rupees.
50 paise.
50 paisa. Very good. Please write. Is read as. This we can read as 4 rupees. F-O-U-R. 4 rupees. F-I-F-T-1. 50. 4 rupees and 50 paise. That's the last point. Rupee symbol 4.50. So this we can read 4 rupees 50 paise. Inaya, please read the points.
The vowel of the
The value of the goods is called the
value of the goods is called the rate or
price. Second point, money is written in.
Money is written in rupees and
Paise. Separated by
a
dot.
Dot.
Now the last one. Rupee symbol 4.50 is read as
4.5 is read
as how we will read 4 rupees.
4 rupees and
4 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. Now let me take the attendance.